Hello and welcome to our episode from the Crypto Star Show. In today's episode, we will be talking about how you can do your own research. We hear the term DYOR a lot in crypto industry, in this blockchain industry, and it's a huge industry. But there's some people and a lot of people getting scammed. There's a lot of rug pull, there's a lot of honeypot, there's a lot of fake contracts, there's a lot of fake token, and people get victims by buying those tokens. They can't sell, or like after 1-2 hours to 3 days the chart is like zero and all your money is lost. So basically we will give a guide on how you can do your own research, what are the strategies, some tips, some guides, some basic explanation on how you can boost your research method, what to check in a project, what are the requirements, and what are the tools do you need to check in a project before investing in any token or in any crypto asset, before going and putting all of your money. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more content. In this video we will be explaining about what are the main requirements to do your own research, how you can benefit from doing your own research, and what to check in a crypto project before getting victim of a rug pull or all of these stuff. So basically you have a lot of platform to navigate and search the web. I honestly check CoinMarketCap. It is the number one platform because the requirement of a project of getting listed in here, it is a little bit higher than other project. It need more information, it has more requirement to get this project listed. There's also a lot of other platform like CoinGecko. There's like Nomics, CoinLive, CoinWatch, and all of CoinCodex and all of other platform. But CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are the most let me say, like, the requirement to get a project listed in here, it is a little bit higher than any other project. It is a little bit more safer than any other platform, but it is in the end crypto assets, so it is a decentralized, and you have to take care before investing in any project. And always do not put your life saving into crypto asset. Always do your own research, and always, this is not a financial advice, this is a basic video explaining about how you can check and research and do your own research in a project and what to do. So basically, if you go on CoinMarketCap and if you go on the recently added, you will see a lot of tokens getting in here. All the token that I will be mentioning, it's not a financial advice or any investment guide. I'll choose a random token and I'll explain about it, and I will not invest in it, and I will not give a review if it is positive or negative. Just we will be getting an example on how you can check, what to check in a project, and all of these strategy. So basically, if we go on new cryptocurrencies and you want to invest in any of those tokens, what are the main strategy or the main things you should do before investing in any of those projects? Let me go to this token. It is called an FT cross chain, and there's a note here from CoinMarketCap. Smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new token, or transfer token. Please exercise caution before taking any action, and do your own research. So what this message mean basically? Smart contract are the contract that hold all of this money, all of the liquidity, all of the chart, all of the function and use case of the token. So basically, if the smart contract can be modified by the contract creator, and what those mean? So basically, disable selling. So basically, by disable selling, those owner of this contract or this coin can go into the contract and stop the selling. So basically, if you have bought their token and they did use this function, you will not be able to withdraw or sell your token. Your money will be stuck. Basically, change fees, they can change the deflation fees. Like if you pay a slippage on PancakeSwap, basically 5%, they can change it to 10, 15, 20%. And mint a new token, the total supply, let's say it is 450 million, they can make it 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 million, they can multiply it, and the price will be reducing as minting a new token, or transfer token. They can take token from the team token or from the liquidity pool token. That's why you should always exercise caution before taking any of the investment action or low stuff. What do I check in a contract or a token or a project before investing in it? I always check the white paper of it. I check if there is a legal entity behind this project. Who are the people, like who created this token, what are the background of these people. That's as first, and we will be waiting for the white paper to open. Okay, so basically I always check the white paper to check the roadmap, to check the goal and the use case of this token in the long term, in the short term. What are the vision and what are the strategy of this token. So it is a really use case before I do and go and invest. What are the use case, or am I buying only a currency that it hasn't any use case? And if it is useless, basically after time all the people who invested will be selling and the price will be going down and down and down until it reached the plateau. So basically I always check the white paper, and you always should navigate into the white paper and check what they mentioned, and like the content in the white paper, it is rich, it is a poor content, it is a stealed or stolen white paper. You have to check the use case and the team, basically the team, who are the team behind this project. Do they have a background in crypto? Do they have a technical knowledge of what they are doing, or it is just for fun, just for stealing people money? All of these stuff you should always go and dive into, especially if it is doxed person, doxed team. If the team is doxed, it is a good sign, and they are showing their faces, their LinkedIn, their profile, their social profile. It is kind of a safety, and you should always consider checking the main team. If a project has no team in the website, no team in the white paper, you don't know who the person that run this project, this is a little bit riskier, because you don't know this person. They can close the project, they can rug pull in any second. So basically the most important thing to do is always to check the team behind this project. You should always check the goal behind this project and read the white paper. Check the roadmap, if it is realistic, if it is not realistic, if it is logical, and if it is achievable. So basically you should check what they want to do in the next few months, in the next quarter of the year, and you will be following on social media or social or their community to check what are the modification and the updates about what they are doing. Are they working on releasing, let's say, the marketplace, or launch the marketplace marketing strategy, new exchange? They are getting listed on centralized exchanges. Always do check all of the news and keep following the announcement, keep following the news of this project to check if they are legit. Always also search for legal entity. If they have legal entity and their face are shown, it is a safety. If they have a KYC, know your customer, from a top-notch company. If the contract itself have an audit, there's a lot of audit company, and the number one is Certique. We all know Certique. Certique, you can check the project, you can check which project is basically getting we can check which project is the trust score, the audit. You can check the audit and the malfunction and the flaws of the smart contract, and you will see on which sex it is listed, on which let me say category it is listed, the project. You can check all of the project that has been bounded into Certique, and you will see the trust score, you can see the liquidity, the market cap, the price, 24-hour, and you can navigate into the project itself and check what they are doing, how much of a safety, how much of a security score, the market community. All of these stuff you will be navigating them through Certique. If a project isn't audited by this company, there's a lot of project getting audited by smaller company, you can check the project in which there will be here a audit section where you can check in their website in which audit platform or which audit organization did make the smart contract audit, and you can check the smart contract, what they can do, what they can change, if they can sell, what are the malfunction, the decimals, and all of the total supply, market cap, and all of these stuff in the smart contract. I always also would go to another section, which is on which market or which centralized or decentralized exchange this token or this project is listed. Basically, it is a BNB smart chain. The project is built on BNB smart chain, so basically the main liquidity would be in PancakeSwap, the decentralized exchange on BNB chain. So basically, if we can check, the volume is $95,000 in a 24-hour, and the price is 0.018. So basically they are only listed on PancakeSwap. You can check other currencies where they are listed. If we go and navigate to another, let me say another token, we will be checking another token where they are listed. And let me go to the market. Like those tokens are listed on MEXC in a centralized exchange. That is important. Always check. You can also check the exchanges ranking in here. You have like from the number 1 to maybe the top 200. You will check the liquidity, and you can check the volume of these exchanges around 24-hour, weekly, the market, the coin, if it is a fiat supported, and the ranking. Of course, the number 1 exchange right now is Binance. So basically, always it give a leverage for the token. You know, when a project is listed on multiple exchanges, on multiple decentralized exchange, it have huge trading volume, it has supporters trading the token, and this is a good sign. This is that the people or the team behind this project is working really hard to achieve and make goals come true. And the last thing I would check, I would go into the main website and the communities, the Medium channel, the Twitter, the Reddit, the Telegram, and I will go and check the Explore. Like the Explore, it will open the blockchain scan of any smart contract or any token. You can put also here the smart contract of which token. That depend on the blockchain. Since this token it is on Polygon, we did go to Polygon scan, and we can see here the total supply, the holders, and we can see in depth basically who hold the most percentage of the token and how much the quantity. We can check info about it, we can check the decimals, we can check the contract, and when we navigate through the contract, we can go and check, we can read the contract, what function does it have, the contract, can they log balance, it do have minting, it do have who's the owner, it does have like team token, they can mint a new token, they can burn, it is a deflation token. All of these stuff you can check it on the Polygon scan. Basically that's the most important factor. Always also search for there's a lot of projects who put partner section on their website, and there's a lot of them who put a lot of fake partner. You should always check if those partner are real partner. You can check on those partner website or the social account of those partner, let me say on Twitter, on Reddit, on Telegram, if it is a real partner or just it is a logo added on the website to get more people. Always do your own research in this way, and be careful and take your time before investing. And you will be, by this, using this strategy, you will be having the opportunity to avoid getting scammed, to avoid drug pulls, to avoid those honeypot. And there's almost like 19,000 tokens and coins on CoinMarketCap. You can check the ranking, you can check also the review. Like if we go and go down in there and let me say the overview, you can check here the comment section of people, what they are saying about this token. So basically you will be seeing if it is bullish, bearish. You can check the Telegram community and what the holders know about this token. You can also check the liquidity. Since it is a BNB smart chain, I go to PooCoin. It is open, but let me open it again. I did copy the smart contract and now I paste it, and I go to this token. So basically, the LP liquidity provider holding, it is a $83,000, which is 274 BNB. But PooCoin give you always an advice. An unlocked wallet is holding 51.48% of the CRC, which is the name of the token, BNB liquidity provider. So basically, it's warning you that a wallet is holding more than half of these funds, of these amount. You will see that sometime the dev of this token, the developer of this token, or any token or any project, they can tell you the reason, if it is for a migration, if it is for a development of a DeFi platform, if it is a DAOs project. But if there is no reason about this messages, yeah, there's something fishy, and you should stay careful, and you should check more of the project. You should go and navigate through it more and more before taking any steps. And here you can check the liquidity of this project, and when did it launched, and where did they started, the starting price, and now what they are standing at. You can check all of the chart, and this is basically how you can do your own research and check the project. So always be careful before investing in project or any tokens, especially new ones, especially if they are new to the market. So basically, if we go and check those project when they did started, this on 25/8. So basically the project, it is like, let me check it right. So basically it is only 1 day listed on CoinMarketCap. So you should navigate and do more research about it. Follow the community to check for news announcement if they are legit, and do not put all of your funds in one basket. Always be careful. Always use the diversification strategy and buy multiple assets, not one asset, not one basket, because the risk of losing it is higher. So basically that's it for today's video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more content.